其實呢個車場你大約經營咗幾多年咧？
呢個車房我大約營運咗12年。
其實先前應該咧，你係主力係做維修嘅，咁而家應該係轉變做呢個保養嘅，係咪啊？
係啊，冇錯。
咁點解會有呢個咁嘅轉變，或者有呢個咁嘅做法咧？
因為好多客人咧，佢通常嚟到就話架車冇力啦，冇咗以前咁好力啦，個耗油量高咗啦。咁我哋就拆開同佢檢查，就發現到係因為呢個積碳嘅問題啊，同埋呢個油泥問題，就會影響咗佢架車嘅直接嘅性能。咁我哋後尾就通常以前我哋就係拆出嚟去做清潔嘅。咁但係清潔完之後，咁我哋就諗辦法啦。咁點樣去保養佢咧？咁我哋就從保養呢一方面開始。咁我哋就引進咗一啲機器同埋一啲產品翻嚟啦。咁就可以減少咗架車嘅維修費。
其實保養方面你有咩建議咧？
一般都係跟翻個定期嘅里數啦，去清油泥鐵粉啦，同埋去同呢個引擎做除碳啦。
Hello everyone. 여기는 홍콩입니다. 홍콩에서는 한국인이 기대할 수 있는 많은 일들이 준비되고 있습니다. Somebody asking because 9CIRCLE from where? The moment I explain, because it can be all country, from all country. So far, we now build this kind of culture: Korea, Taiwan, Malaysia, Myanmar, Indonesia, and then Hong Kong. 9CIRCLE service we can provide for driver some special service. I already tell special service. Some driver they just want driving car. For some driver they enjoy speed. Also some driver also they really care safety something. This kind of wide range. Even we cover about this.
有啲油泥啦，或者積碳嘅問題啦，咁其實你哋用咩方法去處理或者解決咧？
積碳方面，我哋就有氫氧除碳啦。咁而家如果你話油泥嘅，咁我哋就引進咗 9CIRCLE 嘅機器啦，路伴油啦，同埋我哋引進咗 9CIRCLE 嘅產品翻嚟係可以去油泥嘅。
咁我想問啊，你哋通常咧會整邊啲車類型嘅多嘅咧？
如果商用車我哋就Hi士啦，咁如果你話一般私家車，日本同埋 Benz 寶馬嗰啲我哋都有做。
咁我想問一問啊，其實你對於維修或者保養啦，其實你車房而家係有啲咩嘅理念咧？
理念就係我哋從保養開始啦，咁就去直接去減少呢個維修費啦。
Here, manifold motor, the kind of service all combination we can service to Hong Kong city, right? And then this manifold motor's strong point, we can support some for driver or safety, and then a more complete service. Of course, here both starting 20 years of high technical person. That's why he's a technique, and then 9CIRCLE service program combined. That's why we can build here model shop manifold motors. 여기는 manifold motors입니다. 9CIRCLE의 모든 서비스를 받아보실 수 있습니다. 어서 오십시오. 감사합니다. 谢谢。多谢。